with Don't Be Taking the Road Less Travel with another episode of Cost of Living In. Today we're going to the Nordic country of Iceland. There's a few facts about Iceland. Let's go to that screen here. Iceland is the, sorry, it's just taking a second to load. Iceland is the 77th episode, sorry, actually 76, but 77th episode in our series. Has a population of 393,396. Has a land area of 100,250 square feet, with an average of 4 people per square square kilometer. 100,250 square kilometers and 4 people by square kilometer. Sorry, my bad. Thank you. I'm not Canadian here. Something for a second. Capital of Iceland is Reykjavik. And the average monthly net salary after taxes is $3,888.51 in US dollars. Our apartment 1 bedroom in the city center is $1,956.96. Apartment 1 bedroom outside the city center is $1,778.31. Apartment 3 bedrooms in the city center are $2,831.34, and apartment 3 bedrooms outside the city center are $2,456.97. Family of 4 estimated monthly costs are $5,090.70 without rent. A single person's estimated monthly costs are $1,358.70 without rent. So a single person could afford to live on that of the wages of a single person in Reykjavik. So all this is in US dollars, all of this is in the metric system, and all this is available for you at www.numbeo.com. Numbeo.com. All this information comes from there. Excuse me. Does not come from me. I do not put this information in. It's put in by users who live in Reykjavik, have been to Reykjavik lately, or are somewhere affiliated with the city of Reykjavik. I'm going to start with restaurants. Meal at an inexpensive restaurant, $21.83. Meal for 2 people in a mid-range restaurant, 3 courses, $123.71. Meal at McDonald's equivalent combo meal, $18.19. That must be the most expensive combo meal in the world. Let's just see if there's McDonald's. There are no McDonald's in Reykjavik, so I won't be paying that much money for a combo. Domestic beer, 0.5 liter draft, $10.92. And those beers might be, let's go to ratebeer.com and go to Iceland. Let's see, they could be Olfishult Lava, Borg Karun Icelandic Stout number 19, Borg Satur number 93, Malbig Panda, Malbig or Brewing Project Hammer, Borg Snorri number NR10, Einstock Icelandic White Ale, Einstock Icelandic Arctic Ale, Rivik Somar Loven, and Royal Orkoslik Classic are just some of the beers you can get in Iceland. Imported beer, 0.33 liter draft, $10.19. Cappuccino regular, $5.30. Coke Pepsi in a 0.33 liter bottle, $3.20. Water, 0.33 liter bottle, $2.23. So fairly expensive, but that's pretty common with the Nordic countries. But it's expensive to visit Iceland is what some of the information I've been given before regarding Iceland, and just visited there in particular. Markets. Milk regular 1 liter, $1.71. Loaf of fresh white bread, 500 grams, $3.65. Rice white, 1 kilogram, $3.21. Eggs regular 1 dozen, $5.81. Cheese, local cheese, 1 kilogram, $15.67. Chicken fillets, 1 kilo, $21.03. Beef round, 1 kilogram or equivalent back leg red meat, $36.75. Must be the most expensive back leg red meat in the world. Apples, 1 kilo, $3.12. Bananas, 1 kilo, $2.24. Oranges, 1 kilo, $2.71. Tomato, 1 kilo, $4.95. Potato, 1 kilo, $3.19. Onion 1 kilo, $2.08. Lettuce 1 head, $3.08. Water in a 1.5 liter bottle, $2.02. Domestic wine, bottle of wine, mid-range, $21.83. Domestic beer, 0.5 liter bottle, $3.22. Imported beer, 0.33 liter bottle, $2.69. A cigarette, a 20-pack of Marlboro will cost $12.22. It's a very expensive cost for meat. Must be the cold climate. It's not quite set up for raising cattle and chickens and whatnot. Local cheese is very expensive. That's pretty common across the board. Bottle of wine, $21.83. That's pretty expensive for a mid-range bottle of wine, but I guess everything is imported there for that kind of thing. Transportation, one-way ticket on local transport, $4.58. Monthly pass, regular price, $75.68. Taxi start, normal tariff, $5.42. Taxi 1 kilometer, normal tariff, $2.36. Taxi for 1 hour waiting, $77.28. Gasolines for 1 liter is $2.27, very expensive. Volkswagen Golf 1.4 90 kilowatt trendline or equivalent new car, $42,861.30. Toyota Corolla sedan 1.6 liter 97 kilowatt comfort or equivalent new car, $46,098.64. Utilities monthly. Basic electricity, heating, cooling, water, garbage for an 85 meter square apartment, $71.24. Mobile phone monthly plan with calls and 10 gigabytes plus more, and data, $25.12. Internet, 60 megabytes per second or more, unlimited data, cable/DSL, $70.59. So between transportation and utilities, monthly pass is very expensive, but it's just the cost of living in Iceland or Reykjavik, for example. Utilities aren't too expensive. Mobile phone is very affordable. Internet isn't too bad as well. Sports and leisure. Fitness club monthly fee for 1 adult, $70.62. Tennis court rental 1 hour on the weekend, $35.02. Cinema international release 1 seat, $14.92. Childcare. Preschool or kindergarten full day private for monthly for 1 child, $247.30, very affordable. International primary school yearly for 1 child, $6,052.01. That would definitely be covered by the government. Clothing and shoes, 1 pair of jeans, Levi's 501 or similar, $110.03. Summer dress and a chain store, Zara, H&M, etc., $50.20. Pair of Nike running shoes mid-range, $153.32. A pair of men's leather business shoes, $196.04. We've done the rent per month, but to buy an apartment price per square meter to buy an apartment in the city center, $6,355.21. Price per square meter to buy an apartment outside the city center, $5,267.17. Like we discussed earlier, the average monthly net salary after taxes is $3,888.51, and the mortgage interest rate in percentages yearly for 20 years fixed rate is 8.81%. Reykjavik has the second most expensive meal at McDonald's or equivalent combo meal in the world out of 312 countries. Wow. I had the feeling that would be the case. Anyways, that is Reykjavik in the whole. It's Iceland, and the cost of living is pretty high, but a regular person making the average salary could afford to live there. Okay, so let's just get some more information. Tomorrow we will be going to India, one of the most populous countries in the world, and I want to thank everyone for subscribing lately. It's been really well. A lot of people have been subscribing. Keep it up. Ring that bell so you get notified every time we get a new video out. And until next time, keep eating to your own beat, take the road less traveled, and have a great day.